Delmedico. We really appreciate what you're doing for the industry. Thank you once again for putting this event together. It's been wonderful networking and getting to know people in this industry. We love you, and we got your back. Booyah.
I'd like to thank Anthony Delmedico for putting this on. The 2020 has been amazing, bringing a bunch of contractors, PAs, and attorneys all together. So it's a really cool event. A lot of people showed up, and I've had a blast and learned a ton so far. So there's still tomorrow to go. So thanks, Anthony.
Anthony, hey man, it's Troy. I want to thank you sincerely for all your hard work and effort, man. This event's been great. It's Balance's sixth year, I think. Actually, when the storm, we were at the very first one. And man, what these events have done for our business is huge. So from me to you, thank you very much, brother. Booyah, baby.
Hey, Anthony, just want to say thanks for putting on an awesome event. The Win the Storm conference has been totally great. I couldn't think of anything better.
Hey guys, big thanks to Storm Ventures Group and Win the Storm for putting on an awesome event. We're here at the award show, excited for 2020 and all the good things to come. We got a bunch of great guys here, service providers, contractors, managers, and owners. We're excited for this.
Hey Anthony, thanks a lot for having us, man. It's been a great show.
Anthony Delmedico, we'd like to, from Mayday Restoration to you, say thank you for hosting this event this year. We've been having an amazing time.
Medico, what's up, buddy? Appreciate you, brother. You are the Win the Storm champion.
It's a great event, a great time, and it brings a lot of the top industry professionals together. You have anything to say, Mr. Wilkerson?
Yeah, no, I want to thank Anthony as well. He's put on a phenomenal convention here. He's brought contractors, public adjusters, attorneys together. If you've never been, we highly recommend you come. It will change your life. Thank you, Anthony.
Hey, Anthony, from all of us at CMR, we just wanted to say thank you for this event. It's awesome. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Anthony. Great show. Having a great time.
We really appreciate it.
Much appreciated.